Good day, everyone out there in the YouTube world. I hope you are doing well today. I am Lauren Cadillac. I am with Cadillac Law in Dallas, Texas. As always, I'm here just to provide you with some information. This is not legal advice. Do not tell people I am your lawyer. I am not your lawyer yet. You have to call me and you have to hire me first. This is just general advice. Hopefully easy to understand, or make easy to understand some interesting concepts. So a lot of times I have folks who will call me and they'll say, I'm the executor of so-and-so's estate. And I say, great, where are your letters of testamentary? And they say, my what? I know that that person is not the executor, because in order to be an executor, you must have letters of testamentary. They look something like this. This is not them, but it looks something like this. And they basically say, they're signed by a judge, and they say, this person is in charge of this person's estate. They're the executor. And they are the one who is going to determine all of the debt that the estate had, and they are the one that is going to pay that debt, and they are going to distribute the remainder to the heirs. Now, I've done another video, which you should be able to find below. Oh, don't forget, like, subscribe, hashtag, comment. I've done another one about, will I inherit their debt? The answer is no. Don't worry about that. But when you become an executor, once these letters are granted to you, and that's done by a judge through a probate action. So just because someone puts you as their executor in their will and now they're dead does not mean you're their executor yet. You're the person they want as the executor, but a judge has not appointed you, so you are not the executor. But once you have these letters, you are the executor, and you have what is called a fiduciary duty. That is the highest duty you can have, the duty to yourself, and then fiduciary is right under it, and then others is below it. So that means that you are on the hook for what happens to the estate. So once you're appointed the executor and you have to find the debts and the assets and reconcile all of those things, in order to do that, the executor is required to do that. So if you're the executor and you go in and, mom had 5 rings, and one for each kid, and you're like, well, I don't like Susie, or, Bobby's dead and his kids are terrible. You can't just take that ring. You take that ring and you are going to create a huge legal issue. Executors, because they are fiduciary, this is such a big deal. To be an executor in Texas, you can't have a criminal record. You can never have a crime of moral turpitude. You have to prove to the court that you are responsible enough and that you will take the job seriously enough that you will get it done properly and to the benefit of the state and not to its detriment. And as a fiduciary, if you breach your duty to the estate and you do something to the detriment of the estate, you can believe that you are going to find yourself in a world of hurt. So that is what an executor is. And again, you are not the executor until you have the letters. I hope you've learned something here today about Texas and the way it works. Click like, subscribe, comment below, do all that stuff, and we will talk to you again very soon.